schwer. Die Kippe. Alter, wie schwer ist die? Krass. Heftig, wie viel die wiegt. Die machen wir mal Schritt, ne? Also. Okay, let's have a look. That's the Faustino 3.1 with here the turn on, turn off button. And that's it. Now we are ready to start. It's simple as that. We have one cup, single dose, 2 dose, 3, and infinity run. That's like for when you put here the exact amount of beans you want. You can easily grind this with this infinity button, and it's like a touch cream. And if you want, for example, to set all the emojis, you touch in the middle, and now you can through all these modes. For a single dose, you can put now the timer for second and for 3. I don't need this 3 cups, and that's why this time is not set it. And yeah, and that's it. And if you touch here again, you can close it. And for example, when you have now, you want a single, you only, and it starts to grind. That's the whole deal. In my opinion, it's a really nice grinder. It has everything you need. It looks stunning with the right and these panels here on the side, and it's the perfect match for the rocket apparamento. Yeah, it's my combo. In my view, it looks stunning, and it's the perfect setup for a nice espresso and cappuccino.